Wanita, hatinya ingin seperti hujan yang jatuh cinta berkali-kali. Jiwa, hati, nurani hanya untuk seorang laki bergelar suami. Cinta berpadu, semoga lestari sampai syurgawi. Ke pantai impian membina malaikai kasih terindah.
You're the big one. Pinko. Wow, Pinko tu mau manis. Wow, so big. This is for you. I love you.
Hujan rintik-rintik, tumbuh bunga lalang, Lisa tersangat cantik, Kai terpaut sayang.
Kita berada di majlis pernikahan Nurlisa Datuk Haji Muhammad Noor dan Khairul Hafizi pada hari yang berkah hari ini, 3 Zulhijjah, yang bakal menyaksikan sebuah lagi masjid akan terbina. Julang bintang kampung sinarnya, perulah tanah jatuh melata. Julang adat, junjung budaya, perulah hidupkan aman sempurna. Hari ini dengan lingkungan yang serupa indah, kita saksikan kemuliaan Quran sebagai mukadimah dengan sabda dan firman yang begitu mulia, semoga membekas ke dalam jiwa.
Drop. Yeah. You're alright. You're alright. Wait.
A'udzubillahi minasyaitonirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Saudara Khairul Hafizi,
saya,
aku nikahkan kamu dengan anakku Nurlisa binti Muhammad Noor dengan mas kawinnya sebanyak RM15,000 tunai.
Saya terima nikah Nurlisa binti Muhammad Noor dengan mas kahwinnya RM15,000 tunai.
Sah. Alhamdulillah. Barakallahu lakuma wa baraka alaikuma wa jama'a bainakuma fi khair.
This is my song, and no one can take it away. It's been so long, but now you're here, what it means to find your dreams come true. This is my song, and no one can make it alive. It's been so long since someone could make me cry, and I wonder if you know what it means to laugh as tears go by. I may not always sing in tune, and sometimes you don't hear me, but you don't have to be near me to know that I'm singing. This is my song, and nothing can make it die. It's been so long, and it's stronger. I know why, and I wonder if you really, really know that as long as I live, I will sing my song for you.
Hi Mama Shah, you look so pretty today. The most prettiest bride I have ever seen after Mommy.
I may not always sing in tune, and sometimes you don't hear me, but you don't have to be near me
Last sekali.
to know that I'm
Kai,
singing.
stand up. Call me Papa.
Papa.
This is my song,
Mana dong pergi? Papa.
and nothing
Sorry Papa.
can make it die. It's been so long, and it's stronger. I know why, and I wonder